Hi, this video is regarding the latest preview build version 22509 and the error that is being faced by many of the subscribers who try to install the Windows Insider Preview channel version 22509. And many users subscribed to the Insider Preview channel has recently been facing the error which you are seeing on the screen right now while trying to update to the Windows 11. 22509 build. I'll tell you why you are facing this issue. You are facing this issue because you have bypassed installation checks during the Windows 11. Then this is the reason that you are facing this error while updating Windows 11. If you too are facing the same issue, then here is a solution to overcome that issue. I'll go through that. Please follow the instructions and try to fix it. You can fix this error while updating Windows 11 using a custom script that helps you bypass these checks. Using this script will help you fix the error and install the latest Insider build for Windows 11. That is version 22509 on your PC. I have shared the link from where you can download the script in the description. That is actually in the GitHub page. And I have shared the code there in the description. You can download that script from the description page. This is actually a media creation tool, extra additional script created, and your download file will be mediacreationtool.bat, which you need to download and use it. So this is the link from where you have to download the mediacreationtool.bat. You can see here, you can download it from here. And this is the link from where you have to go and download it from the GitHub. You can see it here. Go here, then click on download zip. Now you can see that the media creation tool is downloaded. It's here in the folder. I'm just extracting it here. Now these are the files which you have to use, and then now you have to click and open the bypass. Now what you have to do is just double click on this file, CMD file, and then just click on run anyway, because it will show as it is using a third-party script inside your computer. So you have to run anyway. Since I haven't faced any issues, I don't want to run it, but I am showing what you have to do. So if you click on run anyway, it will notify you that a PowerShell window will be opening, and you have to do the same. I'll show you the print screen of that in the screen. You will be seeing the same window in your PC too. Now the changes will be now automatically applied to your PC, and you can now upgrade your system as intended. And now what you have to do next is you have to revert the changes made by the script once you have updated your system. To revert the changes, double click the same file again. Now this time the disclaimer will be in red at the top, like what you see in the screen right now. And now you have to enter, and the changes will be made to your system. That means it will reinstall, and the script will automatically close once the necessary change has been reverted. Thank you.